everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you about few things that you can use in your life to avoid temptations. I have tried these techniques and it has helped me into my life. Now, first and foremost, you need to understand why you are tempted towards certain things. Why do you do what you do? Write it down, okay? And then accept it that you are tempted toward things. So what are the things that tempt you? Why do you get tempted towards these things? And in what situations do you get tempted? After understanding and analyzing these situations, you are aware of what makes you feel tempted. Then only you're going to work on the solutions. Now, secondly, you need to keep all those things that tempt you far of you. Means it should be out of your reach. You, when say you are in other places and those things come in front of you and it is out of your control, so what will you do in that moment? Number one, you need to distract yourself. To distract yourself, you need to either move away from that place, or second, you need to change the inner dialogue that you are having related to feeling tempted towards doing that activity. You need to change the dialogue related to what will happen if you give in and take actions towards the things that is tempting you. Or you can also start conversation within yourself that what will happen if you don't give in. There are consequences, pros and cons of doing something or not doing something. Similarly, when you are focusing on the benefits of not doing something which is tempting you, the healthier version or the healthier option, you will feel good about it. Now, there might be a situation that you give in. You feel so tempted that you give in to that situation. So don't beat yourself up in that moment. It might happen in rare occasions, but with the gradual effort you will be able to stop yourself from giving in to that temptation. But for these things you need to regularly remind yourself about the consequences of these temptations, both the pros and cons. What will happen if you give in? What will happen if you don't give in? What will happen if you resist your temptations? What are the benefits? What are the healthier versions of having this resistance towards temptation? Now, often, we go into these temptations because we do not keep an alternative healthy option for us or in front of us. So try to create those alternatives, those healthier options which you will do when you are tempted towards doing the things that you are trying to resist. Apart from that, you need to always remind yourself why you are doing this. You need to have this conversation frequently that why you are doing what you are doing. For this, you need to be mindful about it. You need to practice mindfulness, meditation, exercise. All these things have a deeper connection to your body, impacts your body. So rest, exercise, meditation, all these things have impact on your body. I'm not saying that you can go and meditate for hours and hours. Even for 3 minutes or 2 minutes of meditation is going to help you in a deeper level. Also, you need to manage your rest and stress. These things are interconnected. What is creating that stress into your mind needs to be taken care of. What is creating that stress, why, and in what manner can you deal with it? Because when you are stressed, we have been taught or brought up, or genetically, or we say from generations, we are using food to manage those stress. So if you are working on your stress, you need to work on it mindfully and then try to hold yourself from getting into those temptations. Thank you.